So we're going to be comparing fractions today and trying to determine if a fraction is greater than, less than, or equal to. We'll have number lines to help us, as well as sometimes just some tile pieces to be able to look at. And I'll also show you a trick with your denominator in just a minute. But let's take a look at our fraction 1/4 and 1/3. If we are comparing these, trying to determine which is larger or smaller, we can see that both of these line up at that 0, but then you can tell that 1/3 is a little bit longer than 1/4. So over here, when they're asking us to fill in our little answers here, where'd my pen go? There we are. It says, so blank is greater than 1/4. We're going to say that 1/3 is greater than 1/4, or we can write it this way as well using our greater than symbol. Now, down here, this is nice and easy. We can see right away, well, this is larger. This is 2/3. So I know that 2/3 is greater than 1/3. But another reason why this one is so easy, not just because of the fact that you can see it right away, but look at the denominator. They're all the same. If you're working with the same denominator, then it's nice and simple, because all you have to do is look at then that numerator on top. And if you have a 1 and you're comparing it to a 2, you know that 2 is bigger than 1. Or let's say they gave you 3/3 and they're asking you to compare 1/3 to 3/3. Well, I know that 3 is greater than 1. When the denominator is the same, then all I'm doing is doing a quick check at my numerator and deciding which is bigger, which is smaller. Now let's take a look at your page you're going to work on today. So on your page that you're working on, you'll see you have the different number lines, but you also have some fraction tiles that you'll look at to help you compare. I see right here on number 3 that I have the same denominator. So I'm not even going to bother looking up here at the fraction number line, because I know right away, since both of these are the same, I just have to look at my numerator and I know, okay, 7 is bigger than 6. So I would be drawing my greater than symbol like this. Now on the numbers where my denominator is not the same, then yeah, it's good to take a look at my number lines here, or my fraction bars, to help me compare them. Okay, so on your page today, like I said, you've got your pieces up here that you can look off of. You'll use this number line to help you answer number 6 through 8. And just for those of you that are at home, if you do get stuck, you can always use, if you don't have any other fraction pieces at home, ask your parents about the measuring cups. Measuring cups are going to have 1/4 or 1/8. They're going to have the fractions that you're working with, and you can use those to help you to determine which is more, which is less. All right, guys, have fun with your fractions, and I'll see you later.